How to wash your brushes. First, start with lukewarm water. If the water is too hot, it will damage your bristles. I like to use half Dawn and half olive oil. This concoction definitely cleans your makeup brushes thoroughly and conditions the bristles as well. Use the ridges of your fingers to remove the makeup from the brush. If you clean your brush and it's still not clean, repeat the process. Squeeze water out downward. Now it's all clean. Once you clean all of your brushes, don't just throw them on the counter and leave them flat to dry. You want to take a paper towel, wipe the brush so that you can get most of the moisture out, and use your brush holder. Once you lay this flat on the counter, you get 360 degrees of airflow through the brushes so that they dry properly.